Okay guys, the tick-tick sound of the Honda Wave has been gone. And it is thanks to Wiltec. I've been here in Wiltec and they repaired it. This is the sound of a Honda Wave, 7 years old Honda Wave. I've replaced the slider chain. I've replaced the new brake pads. And this is the sound. A little bit quieter, much more quieter compared to the old one, because the old one is compare. You need to replace the rod. The rod is see that the tip of the rod, the rubber has been gone already. So that makes the tick-tick sound when idling. So beware of that. Always check your cam chain stationer sound. Okay. And I'm also a delivery serviceman via Maxim. So I want to thank Maxim. Maxim, I deliver via Maxim. So new vlogs coming on the way. We'll make videos sooner for about the delivery related videos regarding Maxim. But for now, this is a well conditioned bike, and 79,417